ladies, this is Amanda, the card making coach, and I'm back again with another video. This video is going to be a little bit different, and I figured that I would open up a craft subscription box with you. I've never done this before, and this is my first one I've ever gotten, and I just wanted to give an honest opinion on what's inside and if I like it or not, and if I would continue the subscription or not. So this one is from My Craft Joy. In all honesty, the amount of time it took for this to get to me, I probably wouldn't even subscribe to this box again. It took a month for this to get to me. I'm not exactly sure why. I'm not exactly sure what happened. But it just arrived today, so I haven't opened it or anything yet. I took the outside wrapping off, and I just wanted to open it and see what's inside. And another disclaimer as well, I'm a pretty impulsive person when I'm shopping and I go online. I'm sure a lot of crafters are the same way. You go online and you see something and you're like, oh, what a great deal. This is wonderful. I'm going to buy this. And you don't really pay attention. But for this box, I'm going to put up a picture of what the box size is supposed to be like. And this box is about half or even more the size of what's posted on their website. And I couldn't really find any measurements, so I'm not sure if I'm just missing that. And that's something that was my fault, and I didn't realize the size of the box. To buy this box regular is $85. I didn't pay $85 for it because I'm not crazy. My husband almost had a heart attack when I told him that it was an $85 regular. So I did not pay $85 for this. I think I paid about $35 tax and shipping and everything for it. So we're going to open this and see what's inside, and hopefully there's going to be some things in here that I will be able to make use of. So let's do it because I'm excited. Okay, I'm going to put my glasses on. Here we go. Open it. Okay. And this is not anything like what I ordered. I ordered a paper crafting box, and this is some kind of Christmas craft. And this is some kind of Christmas craft, and this is some kind of Christmas craft. So, all in all, this box is a complete and utter disappointment. This is not what I wanted. This is not what I asked for. This is not what I ordered. And I would give this box a rating of 0 out of 10. I'm not sure why they would send me this when I asked for paper crafting supplies. I have no idea what this is. Some kind of thing that you stitch or something. I have no idea how to sew. This one also looks like something that you'd have to sew together. I don't sew. I have no idea how to sew. No clue. Macrame, maybe I might be able to do something with this, but this is an utter and complete disappointment, and it will definitely be going back to the people who sent this to me. So yeah, that's my take on this, My Craft Joy. I would not buy it again. I would not subscribe to this. This is my own personal experience. This is nobody else's personal experience. But I'm pretty bummed and I'm pretty disappointed that I didn't get anything that I thought I was going to get in this box. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to my next video, and maybe we'll have something interesting to talk about, and we'll do some crafting together. Okay, take care. Bye-bye for now.